Hello, this is Dr. Doug at the Animal Hospital in Mebane. I'm here with Kylie and Ramsey, and we want to demonstrate for you today how to clean your dog's ears. When we're recommending cleaning, it's often because of bacterial infections or yeast infections, and we use cleaning as the foundation of a topical therapy. And so we really feel it's important to clean the ears really well so that we can improve the success rate of that treatment. When we're talking about ear cleaning, it's important that we have an understanding of the anatomy of the ear. And so if you look over here, we've got a vertical section and then a pretty tight bend that goes into a horizontal section down towards the inside of the head. And it's this really tight bend that makes it tough to get any debris that's in the bottom part of this ear canal. And so that's why we use this liquid flush to really get down to the bottom and help break up any of that debris so that we can get it out towards the surface so that we can get it cleaned out. First thing we want to do is grab the ear at the base of the head and gently lift up. And that's going to help really straighten that canal out and help us get our flush down towards the bottom. And then we want to put a generous amount of flush into the ear. We don't need that flush actually coming completely out of the ear, but we probably want to fill about 50 to 75% of that canal. So you just get the nozzle down in there and just put a generous amount in. And they're going to react when that flush hits the ear. And then we want to find the canal. It's a thick band of tissue right underneath the ear, and go on either side of it and just really massage that good for about 5 to 10 seconds. All right? And you may get some of that material coming out. We then want to go and repeat that on the opposite side, and then once we get both sides done, then let's let them shake. And that's going to serve to really fling a lot of that material up towards the surface so that we can get it cleaned out. Take your gauze or your cotton balls, whichever you have, and start working it down into the ear. All right? And we're only trying to get that vertical section. We're not trying to get this all the way down to the base of that ear canal. And so just work it in there, and then when you feel like you've gone far enough, twist and kind of pull out to really help remove any of that debris that's there. And then you can either use another part of that same piece or another piece to really just get in there and clean the outside of that ear off, remove any of the excess flush. Again, do that on the other side and get all that really clean. If you're going to be cleaning at home, what we'd recommend, especially for maintenance, is that you do that anytime you give it a bath or after the dog's been swimming. Of course, if you're treating the ears for an infection, we would recommend that you follow your veterinarian's recommendations. Okay. If you have any questions, by all means, please call the clinic. Again, this is Dr. Doug with the Animal Hospital in Mebane. Thanks for watching.